Think auto campaigns are a waste of money? Think again. I'll show you how to make 4 auto campaigns, then double down on the one that's doing the best. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, you can see our ACoS for this client is pretty legit with a 9% ACoS last 30 days. We've been maintaining it, which is the hardest part. $490 in spend, almost $5,000 in return. Pretty darn good. Obviously, we want to get this down lower, even to an 8%, but now we're just trying to work on each percent at a time, and it all starts with an auto campaign. Now, we don't just make one auto campaign, we make a specific auto campaign, and there's usually 4 types of auto campaigns you can make. And you can see right here, this is a auto loose match campaign. I'm going to open this right here. And here is the auto loose match. We spent $44, made $1,299 in sales, 29 ROAS, 3% ACoS. Okay, so the auto campaigns, if you're doing it right, yes, they will work. Don't just say, oh, auto campaigns are for beginners. No, they're for everybody. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to create 4 auto campaigns, and we can find out which one is going to do the best for you. You're going to click create campaign right here. And then now we're going to duplicate this 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to make 4, again, 4 auto campaigns. So 1, and then we're just going to duplicate this, 2, 3, and then 4. And then bear with me on this. And now these auto campaigns are only for one product. Don't be throwing all your products in here. I know you want to, but don't do it. You're just doing one product, aka one SKU. Okay. Now we're going to do automatic targeting. Now this is where this is what the experts do. This one's only going to be close match. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. So this is just our close match, right? And you can see the suggested bid is 59 cents, right? So you can start at the suggested bid, but in order to get your ACoS even lower, what you're going to do is every week you're going to come back in and you're going to lower this by like 3 cents and then get it lower and lower and lower and lower. Right now, our cost per click, we can go back. So our cost per click, we put the suggested bid at, okay, 70 cents. So you can see the suggested bid, we're kind of like half. So you can see right here, I'll do a little bit below to start and see how that works, because you don't want to be overspending for these auto campaigns. Okay, I don't want you to lose money. I want you to make money. Don't you dare let Amazon do dynamic bids up and down. Do down only. Don't do any placements. And then you're going to name it auto. You're going to put your ASIN in here, ASIN, whatever it is. And then what type of campaign is it? It's a close match. Okay, I know it's a close match because that's literally what we clicked. Close match right here. Okay. Did the bids just change? Amazon just increased the bids on us. The suggested bid. It was just lower. That's I think that's terrible. And don't let Amazon increase the bids in any way on anything. So always turn all of these beta things off is my recommendation. We just want to do a basic auto close match campaign, click launch campaign, right? So that's going to be your first one. Your second one, you're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to come here, but we're going to fill out exactly the same, but except instead of close match, we're going to do loose match. And again, we want to do somewhere in the middle between this. So it says the lowest is 50 cents. The suggested is 71 cents. I'm going to go in the middle and just do 60 cents. And then we're going to do everything else exactly the same. And then we're going to launch that campaign. Now, the one that did really, really good for us is the loose match. But for each product, it's different. Sometimes the close match does amazing. Or sometimes the close match spends money the quickest and it does the worst. Sometimes substitutes does the best. Sometimes it's complements, right? So it really depends. And then again, you're going to do the same exact thing. Create this campaign, create it again. And then you're just going to do it just with substitutes. And then do it somewhere in the middle. So this would be around 40 cents. And then obviously you're going to be calling it maybe substitutes. I'm just going to put sub. Then you'll do it again. create another campaign. This is going to be the last one, and you're going to do compliments, right? So you're going to be running 4 campaigns. And I recommend just to start with like $5 a day, nothing crazy. You can start with $10 a day if you have a larger budget, but I don't want you to waste money on this, okay? Because you'll see that maybe the compliments, the one that you thought would do the worst, does the best, and the close match gobbles up all of your money. And we don't want that. I don't want you to waste money. So we just launch all 4 campaigns, target one product, and then whatever one is doing the best, maybe it substitutes, has the best ACoS, we're just going to double down all of our budget into this, okay? And then you slowly lower that keyword bid lower and lower and lower. Just make sure it's still spending money. And that's exactly what we did here. So right now we're only doubling down for this product for loose match, and the other ones we actually turned off. Now, again, each product's different, but this is a great opportunity for you to succeed on Amazon. See what works best, double down on what's best. The ones that aren't working, don't stress, turn them off. You can always turn them on and test them again in the future, but I want you to find the winners and double down on the winners right now. And that's how you can succeed on Amazon PPC. That's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your Amazon ads, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon PPC management service. This is where we're going to be coming in. We're going to be looking at all of your Amazon PPC, all of your Amazon ads, creating these auto campaigns, pulling the search term reports, utilizing all of our tools, and making sure we find winning campaigns for you and double down on those winning campaigns so we can get your ACoS as low as possible and your sales as high as possible. We're going to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.